If you haven't already, hit that like button and subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss any of our future videos.
Aloha, our keto friends. I am so excited to be here with my little buddy, Mr. Micah. You know what we're making today?
No.
Doro Wat. And Doro Wat is, I'm sorry if I get emotional, because when I got to meet you about, was it 9 years ago now? Almost exactly to the day in May. I got to meet you in Ethiopia. And I was really nervous because I was a really picky eater. I still kind of am, right? And I was like, gosh, what am I going to eat in Ethiopia? It's probably weird. They had Doro Wat, and I ate that for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And I'm going to teach you how to make it, and I bet you'll really like it. It's good, isn't it? So I'm going to do it in the Instant Pot. I usually do it in the slow cooker, but we're going to do it in the Instant Pot. I highly suggest either hard boiling eggs ahead of time, 6 of them, or get your pot of water boiling now. We're going to put our onions right on in there. So it takes a lot of onions. So 1 humongous onion. And we're going to add, let's see, a little bit of ghee, so about 2 tablespoons of ghee, just like plop that in there. Just hit it, there you go. And you're gonna add a tablespoon of bear spice. Now if you're like, I don't know what that is, I got this on Amazon. It's Frontier brand, it's really good. You can do a full tablespoon if you like spice. You can do a little bit more. Or if you're like me and I don't like a lot of spice, I'm going to do just 1 tablespoon. I don't want to go too crazy in that. And then we're going to add garlic. If you remember from our other video, I taught you how to do roasted garlic. And this garlic, you're going to just squeeze the head right on in there. A full head of garlic or 4 cloves of raw garlic. I'm doing a full head because roasted garlic's a little bit milder. Okay? Good thing I have my hand washer over here. And then you're going to do a tablespoon of ginger. So put that right on in there. And then Micah, can you put the cover on? Thank you, my friend. Okay, once you have the cover on, you're going to hit timer, manual. We want 10 minutes. See, you just change it by pushing the down button. And we're going to let that go for 10 minutes. Make sure that your venting is sealed. We've got it sealed now, and that's going to come to pressure, and that's going to cook the onion mixture for about 10 minutes. Meanwhile, this is my trick for making the best hard-boiled eggs, okay? It's really great if you could do it in your Instant Pot, but our Instant Pot is indisposed right now, so what we're going to do is grab 6 hard-boiled eggs, grab more if you like more, and put 1 right on there. You don't want to gently put all of the eggs into the boiling water, and then cook them for about 10 minutes for hard boiled. And the way that this water is so hot and it kind of shocks the eggs, it's going to shrink that outside and that peels perfectly. So we're going to boil those, cook that, and we'll catch you back in a little bit. Okay, so our timer went off on our Instant Pot, and what you're going to do is you're going to push natural release. So let's see, it's been a while. Ooh! Actually, we're going to put quick release. That's what we're going to do. You ever see an Instant Pot? Not for a while. So anyway, while that was cooking, we hard-boiled eggs. So Mike, I'm going to need your help. I want to show you just how easy these are to peel. Come help me peel the eggs. I'm going to put that in the garbage, but I just want you to see how easy they are to peel. They just peel right off, just like you did an Instant Pot egg. They can't see over there, but they just peel really, really easy. You can put the shells right in that bowl, okay? All right, so now that this is ready, I'm going to have you step to the side. You open it up, and you can see, I can see, that my onions are nice and soft. And you can push, if you want them even softer. This Ethiopian stew, they told me that they usually make it overnight. They cook the onions all night long, so the onions are really, really soft. But what we're going to do is we're going to put our chicken in here. And if you didn't see it, check out, we made chicken chips with the skin of our chicken thighs. So I was like, what should we do with our chicken thighs without the skin? Make Doro Wat, because I don't like flabby skin. I don't like that. I like it crispy. That, just put it in the bowl. So we're gonna put our chicken right on in there. Try not to touch the outside because it's hot, it's hot. And you need a little bit of a liquid. So I'm gonna put those on in there flat. You could use chicken legs if you want. That's what I usually use, but this is what I have. And then you need liquid. So I'm going to use my chicken broth here. If you don't have chicken broth, you can use water, but this just adds some more flavor. And I'm gonna add 1/4 cup on into the bottom there. And then you need some salt. So I'm using my Redmond salt, about 2 teaspoons. I'm gonna sprinkle on all over the chicken. Make sure it's nice and even around there. And let's see, anything else? No, I didn't forget anything this time. And what you're going to do while he's peeling my eggs, I'm gonna put this cover back on. And I am going to push manual. Here we go. Oh, why didn't it clear? Manual. Oh, you know what? It still thinks that it's over, so I'm gonna unplug it and plug it back in. There we go. Okay, and then I'm gonna hit manual. Is it on now? You can't see. Manual, and I'm gonna increase the time to 20 minutes and make sure that your valve is closed. I always forget to do that. Oh, yep, now it's closed. Okay, so now we're gonna come back when it's finished. I'm gonna show you what it looks like. All right, everybody, we are back. Mike is in the kitchen with me, and we're almost done with our Doro Wat. And I want to tell you, the Burberry spice mix, I forgot. I have a spice blend in this book, the 30-Day Ketogenic Cleanse, and I'm going to tell you what it is. 6 tablespoons of paprika, 3 tablespoons of cayenne pepper, 1 tablespoon of Redmond real salt, a teaspoon of garlic salt, teaspoon of onion powder, a teaspoon of ground coriander, 1/2 teaspoon of ground ginger, or ginger powder, 1/2 teaspoon of ground cardamom, 1/2 teaspoon of ground fenugreek, don't skip that, 1/2 teaspoon of ground nutmeg, and 1/4 teaspoon of ground cloves. So if you can't find Bear Spice Mix, you can find this, how to make it. We just told you. So we're gonna push quick release. Woo, there we go. Gotta love an Instant Pot. And Micah helped peel the eggs and cut them in half. All right, so here is our Doro Wat. And if you want a thicker stew, you could let it boil down, but just know that it will thicken up as it sets. We're gonna put our chicken, and we're gonna put some eggs in here. So you get a chicken thigh, you get 2 hard-boiled eggs, and then you get some of the stew goodness that goes along in here. And that is your Doro Wat, and we hope that you enjoy.
Sharing is caring. Share this video